Good morning, my dear students. In this GK tutorial, I am going to make you revise two chapters, the universe and artificial satellites. So, dear students, let's begin with these two topics. The name of the chapter is the universe. So, students, in this chapter, we will come to know about so many facts of the universe. Earlier, it was a dense, hot bubble of gas and it was expanding rapidly outward. So, let's discuss all the facts of universe. I'll be taking one fact and I will be explaining to you. So, students, underline the main facts using a pencil on your books. It can be asked in the form of fill up, MCQ, one word. So, you should be prepared for this. So, okay students, I am going to take very first fact of the universe that is right in front of you. So, the very first fact here in front of you is, at the time of origin, the universe contained nothing but hydrogen and a small amount of helium. It means when universe started, so this universe was having nothing. Only two gases were there. What were the names of those two gases? Hydrogen and helium. Next fact is that this universe, it has no center. And this universe is expanding. Expanding means it is increasing every second, its size is increasing. And it has no center. And the next fact of universe is that the most abundant means that is found in very much amount. So the gas that is found in very much amount, that is hydrogen, and the second gas that is found, that is helium. So hydrogen and helium are found in this universe. Okay beta? So the next fact that we have come to know, that sun was the first star, okay, and this first star, that was sun, it formed out of hydrogen, okay, and this universe was about 100 million years old at that time. It means when sun was formed at that time, this universe was near about 100 million years old, okay. And when was sun formed? What is that fact? Sun was formed near about 4.49 billion years ago. So, bache, you have to learn this fact. You have to underline 4.4 billion years ago. You have to learn the age of sun. Next is that how much old the earth is. The earth is about 4.5 billion years, okay, and it is only a third of the age of the universe. So bache, you have to learn this fact, you have to underline. It can be asked in the form of MCQ, fill up, or one word. You should be prepared for that. While reading these facts, underline those facts, do its written practice and revise it thoroughly. Okay, now we have next fact that is right in front of you. Now the next fact is very surprising, that the earth could fit into the sun 1.3 million times. Do you know what is the meaning of this fact? It means sun is bigger than earth. Sun is bigger than earth. It means that's why it is written earth could fit into the sun 1.3 million times. It means sun is 1.3 million times bigger than the earth, okay. And next fact is also very surprising. There are more stars in the universe than the grains of sand on all the beaches on earth. It means there are so many stars, numberless stars available in the universe, and these stars are so many as compared, if we compare it to the sand of all the beaches, these stars are more than the sand. So you can imagine how many stars are available in universe, okay. So the next fact is that the tides and waves which are occurring on earth, these tides and waves are caused by the moon, Okay, and along with the sun it moves billion of tons of water each day. It means these moon and sun, they can cause their tide and waves, and they can move billion of tons of water every day. Okay, now let's move to other facts which are about universe. So the next fact is that the Mercury moves around the sun faster than any other planet. It means the speed of Mercury is maximum, okay, on, and it moves around the sun, and it is the faster one than any other planet. And because of this, it makes an year of Mercury equivalent to 88 Earth days. Clear? And next fact is that what is that large empty spaces in universe known as? These large empty spaces which are found in universe, these are known as voids. It can be asked in another form, what are voids? It means a large empty space. Okay, that is found in universe. Okay, next fact is that about 68% of the universe is dark energy. Dark energy is something that scientists believe fills all space. So you have to learn, bache, this fact that about how much part of the universe is dark energy. It is 68%. After that, next fact is that near about 27% of the universe is made up of dark matter. And what is that dark matter? Dark matter is what that cannot be seen with any type of modern observation instrument. It means the space, that dark matter that is available in universe, it cannot be seen using any kind of instrument, and this part is known as dark matter. Okay students, clear? Now dear students, next chapter that we are going to revise it, artificial satellites. So basically what are artificial satellites? These are objects, okay, and these objects are sent into orbit in space. Why these are sent? They are sent in space to send, receive or bring back any kind of information to Earth. So these are known as artificial satellites. So in this chapter we will come to know about so many facts about artificial satellites. So let's take one fact about this. So let's begin with this. So the very first fact about artificial satellite is this, right in front of you, that what is the speed of satellite. So bache, you have to learn it by heart that the speed of satellite is near about 11,000 to 28,000 kilometer per hour. So the next fact is how many satellites are there in orbit around the earth. Bache, you have to learn this also by heart that there are 4994 satellites in orbit around the earth. Okay, and how satellites are launched? The satellites are launched by riding on a rocket. Okay, so this is all about, you have to learn it by heart. It can be asked in one word also. Now let's revise fourth fact, that what was world's first artificial satellite. See, the first artificial satellite that was sent into space orbit, its name was Sputnik. It is basically Russian name. In Russian language we speak it just like Sputnik, but in English we speak Sputnik first. Okay, and it was sent on 4th October 1957. And who launched it? It was launched by Soviet Union. Okay, and next question is, which satellite carried the first living creature? So bache, you will be very much surprised to know that first time one animal was sent into orbit. It was living creature, and what was the name of that animal? It was a dog, and it was Laika. Laika, Laika. It was also launched by Soviet Union. So it was, what was its name? Sputnik 2. Okay, and learn the name of our dog, Laika. Clear? So Soviet Union Sputnik 2 mission, Laika was a creature which was sent. Now let's revise next fact. Here you have to tell the first satellite launched by USA in 1958. So what was its name? Its name was Explorer 1. Okay. Next fact about artificial satellite is, which is the largest artificial satellite currently orbiting Earth? So what is that name? Its name is International Space Station. So bache, you have to memorize these names. You have to do its written practice also. It can be asked in MCQ form, fill up form, one word form. You have to revise it thoroughly. Next question we have is, what is a geostationary satellite? So what is the meaning of geostationary satellite? Let's understand this meaning. Basically, geostationary satellite, it is a name of an Earth orbiting satellite, and it is placed on the height of, at an height of near about approximately 35,800 kilometer, and it is kept directly over the equator, and it revolves in the same direction in which the earth rotates, sorry. So what is that direction? From west to east. Clear? So this geostationary satellite moves in the direction of west to east. Next question, bache, you have to learn that which part of the satellite is used to send and receive information. So the part of satellite that is used to send and receive information is antenna. Bache, write down the spellings of antenna very carefully, learn it thoroughly. ANTENNAS, antennas. Okay. Next, last fact about artificial satellite is that what is orbital velocity? So basically it is the speed. Okay, it is a speed of satellite, and this speed must travel to stay in space. Okay, now bache, on this page some of the facts are also given. So dear student, you have to go through these facts also thoroughly. Bache, the facts which are given, you have to learn that after Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2 was the second lunar exploration mission, and it was developed by ISRO. Okay. ISRO full form I have told you earlier also, International Space Research Organization. And what was it consisting? It was consisting a lunar orbiter, the Vikram lander, and Pragyan lunar rover, all, and it was all developed by India. So bache, you have to learn the facts, you have to underline using a pencil, and you have to learn it thoroughly. Okay students, so we were able to revise 2 chapters, the universe and artificial satellite.